Imagine this, a colossal wanderer from the depths of space, hurtling toward our solar system like a ghost from another world, only to pull off the impossible, a sudden, inexplicable turnaround that defies everything we know about the cosmos. That's exactly what's unfolding right now with 3I/Atlas, the third interstellar intruder to grace our skies. Discovered just months ago, this behemoth isn't content to zip through and vanish, it's looping back in a way that has astronomers glued to their telescopes and the internet ablaze with dread. Is it a harmless comet shedding ancient dust, or the harbinger of something far more sinister, perhaps a probe from an alien civilization, confirming our worst nightmares of interstellar visitors who aren't here to say hello? As of September 9, 2025, the data is pouring in, and the picture is as thrilling as it is terrifying. Buckle up, space enthusiasts, because we're about to unpack the chilling saga of 3I/Atlas, from its explosive discovery to the maneuvers that scream, "This isn't natural." We'll sift through the science, the speculation, and the spine-tingling possibilities that could rewrite humanity's place in the universe. What we all feared. It might just be staring us down from the stars. Let's rewind to that fateful night of July 1, 2025. High in the Chilean Andes, the NASA-funded ATLAS, Asteroid Terrestrial Impact Last Alert System, telescope in Rio Hurtado caught a fleeting glimmer, a streak of light tearing across the sky at an blistering 37 miles per second. At first, it looked like just another comet, but calculations quickly revealed something extraordinary. This wasn't born in our solar system. Dubbed 3I/Atlas or C/2025 Atlas, it was the third confirmed interstellar object to breach our cosmic borders, following the enigmatic Oumuamua in 2017 and the more comet-like 2I/Borisov in 2019. What set it apart? Its hyperbolic orbit, with an eccentricity of about 6.1, screaming outsider from light-years away. Tracing its path backward, astronomers pinpointed its origin to the direction of the constellation Lyra, potentially billions of years old, older than our own solar system by over 3 billion years. This beast is no lightweight. Estimates peg its nucleus at 7 to 20 kilometers across, possibly up to 46 kilometers in core size, making it larger than most known comets and rivaling the size of a small city on Earth. Think Manhattan-scale destruction if it were hostile, though thankfully, its path keeps it at a safe 130 million miles from us at closest approach. Early images from Atlas showed it as a faint, reddish dot, but as it drew nearer, its true form emerged, a glowing coma of gas and dust enveloping a bright, round core that's unusually reflective, possibly due to high nickel content giving it a metallic sheen. Unlike typical comets that ooze water ice, 3I/Atlas is belching carbon dioxide and cyanide, with no detectable water tail, a quirk that has scientists scratching their heads. The discovery sent shockwaves through the astronomical community. NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office jumped in, coordinating global observations. By July 3, animations from Atlas data were circulating, showing the object's hyperbolic sling, inbound from interstellar space, slingshotting past Venus, then Mars in October, brushing Jupiter later, before hurtling out again by year's end. But here's where the energy amps up. This isn't a lazy flyby. Its speed and trajectory suggest it was ejected from another star system eons ago, perhaps during a planetary collision or stellar flare. Zwicky Transient Facility at Caltech confirmed the find on July 11, nabbing pre-discovery images from May, proving we'd missed it for nearly 2 months. Excitement bubbled over, a rare opportunity to study pristine material from another star, NASA proclaimed. Yet, whispers of unease began. Why so bright? Why the odd chemistry? And as observations piled up, one anomaly stood out, fueling the fire that would lead to our collective fear. Fast forward to late August 2025, and the plot thickens. As 3I/Atlas barreled inward, telescopes worldwide locked on. The Gemini South Observatory in Chile snapped a jaw-dropping image on August 27, a teardrop-shaped tail stretching 56,000 kilometers, with a blood-red CO2 coma enveloping the core, no water, just dry ice, fog and dust. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, joined the fray on August 6, using its near-infrared spectrograph to peer into the object's secrets, revealing extreme negative polarization, light twisting in ways that scream, "Not your average rock." SphereX, NASA's new all-sky surveyor, chimed in days later, confirming the CO2 dominance and a surprising lack of common comet features. But the real bombshell? Reports of an unexplained maneuver. Social media erupted with claims that 3I/Atlas had deviated from its predicted path, seemingly turning back toward the inner solar system. X, formerly Twitter, posts exploded. One viral thread from astronomer Red Colley described inverted true-color images showing a massive brown dust cloud and a suspiciously round, shiny core, 20 to 40 kilometers wide, shedding nickel and cyanide but no iron, an elemental combo more akin to industrial processes than natural formation. Users speculated wildly, it's accelerating beyond gravity's pull, or faint companions in formation, mini-probes. Harvard's Avi Loeb, no stranger to bold theories, amplified the buzz on podcasts, warning that if it's technological, it could release mini-probes manifesting as UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena, on Earth. Representative Anna Paulina Luna echoed the call, urging NASA to monitor closely as it nears perihelion on October 30th, Halloween Eve, no less. Comets don't turn back. Their paths are gravitational slaves, predictable ellipses or hyperbolas. Yet, data from 4 powerful telescopes, Gemini, JWST, SphereX, and Hubble analogs, agreed, 3I/Atlas is bizarrely active, its tail growing at 130,000 miles per hour toward the Sun, but with trajectory tweaks suggesting non-gravitational forces, like outgassing jets or something else. One X post claimed a fake Elon Musk video declaring it an alien spacecraft, "We must run or destroy it," sparking meltdown-level speculation. Even Dr. Stephen Greer weighed in, linking it to UAP whistleblowers and extraterrestrial ops. NASA's stance. It's natural, a scientific milestone. But the turn, perhaps a misinterpretation of its hyperbolic sling appearing to loop back post-Mars flyby, has ignited fears. As it heads toward Mars next month, ESA's orbiters are prepped to image it up close. Is gravity alone at play, or is this visitor steering itself? The suspense is cosmic electricity. Peel back the layers, and 3I/Atlas is a puzzle wrapped in enigma. Its composition. A dry ice powerhouse, JWST spectra show a CO2 coma with traces of cyanide, CN, and nickel, but zero water, unheard of for comets, which are icy snowballs. AR-14 papers detail water production rates as negligible, while polarization studies hint at a metallic or crystalline surface reflecting light oddly. Size-wise, it's a giant, twice as big as Borisov, with a tail visible to amateur scopes, glowing brighter than expected, perhaps that nickel shine making it a stellar disco ball. Orbitally, it's a speed demon on a one-way ticket in and out, but the turn-back narrative stems from its post-perihelion path. After slingshotting the Sun, it'll swing toward Jupiter, appearing to return from our view before exiting. Non-gravitational acceleration. Possible from asymmetric outgassing, but skeptics like Space Weather News call BS on alien hype, insisting it's just a comet with dust/plasma tails that could spark meteor showers or EM glitches for Earth. Yet, anomalies pile up. No iron with nickel defies stellar nucleosynthesis, cyanide evokes electroplating, not nature. Loeb's theory. Statistically, such perfect interstellar visitors are rare, could be engineered, like Oumuamua's lightsail vibe. X is a hotbed, posts warn of UFO motherships, with one claiming JWST caught a spaceship image briefly on Instagram. Others tie it to NHI, non-human intelligence, urging Type 1 civilization status to survive. SWRI scientists even proposed a mission to intercept it, validating flyby feasibility. NASA's monitoring. Intense, but they downplay threats, no collision risk. Still, as it nears Mars, the weirdness grows, faint signals unconfirmed, companions rumored. Is it alive with tech, or just ancient rock? The data teases, but doesn't tell, yet. Deep down, we've all harbored that fear, we're not alone, and when they come, it's not friendly. 3I/Atlas embodies it, a massive, fast, anomalous intruder, turning back, as if scouting us. If natural, it's a treasure trove, pristine extrasolar material to probe life's origins elsewhere. But if Loeb's right, and it's tech, it could deploy probes as UAPs, invading skies undetected. X theories run wild: alien invasion, mothership carrying millions, or EBEN, extraterrestrial biological entities, per Greer. The timing? Perihelion on Halloween 2025, post-Mars flyby, eerie. Fears amplify, EM disruptions from its plasma tail, or worse, contact we can't handle. Humanity's unprepared, divided, tech lagging. As one post chillingly notes, this isn't war, it's demonstration of superiority. NASA's no threat, but the turn confirms our dread, something's watching, and it's not waving. 3I/Atlas isn't fading into the void, it's igniting our deepest cosmic fears with its bizarre ballet. Comet or craft, its turn back has us questioning everything. We're not ruling out aliens, but the science is electric. Track it with NASA, debate on X, what do you fear most? Like, subscribe, share your theories. The stars are calling, and 3I/Atlas just answered. Stay vigilant, the truth's incoming.